Hello students, today we will see the separation of binary mixtures. So this is the mixture, binary mixture. I have taken the small amount of mixture in a test tube. We will do the water solubility test. So see 2 ml water taken in the test tube in which the compound is there, and shake it well and then filter it in the evaporating dish. Then after this, keep this evaporating dish on the burner to evaporate this. See, keep this evaporating dish to evaporate the water, and keep the precautions like you don't have to heat that till the dryness. See, little amount of water is there, so evaporating dish is hot. So here there is no PPT we got, okay. So water soluble compound is absent. Now we will doing the acid test. So this is the saturated sodium bicarbonate. Shake it well before taken, okay, before you take it. Then I have added this in the compound. This is the mixture I have taken in the test tube. So you will add little amount of saturated sodium bicarbonate, shake it well and then filter it. Then in this filtrate, okay, in the test tube, see, it is a filtrate. You have to add concentrated HCl drop wise. See, after adding, shake it well. See, little amount of PPT is there. So you have to add till the you have to add the concentrated HCl and see it whether you are getting the PPT or not. You are getting the solid or not. So see, there is a solid formation. So acid test is present. See, this is the acid regeneration. Now we will go for the phenol test. So for that, take the fresh mixture in the test tube. Then you have to add the dilute NaOH around 2 ml. Okay, shake it well. 1 to 2 minutes you have to shake it well. And then you have to filter it, and in that filtrate you will add concentrated HCl to regenerate the phenol if it is present. Then this is concentrated HCl added in the filtrate. See, there is a solid formation. We are doing the separation of solid mixture. So this, see, there is a solid formation, concentrated HCl after adding. So phenol is present. Now we will do the base test. So for the base test, take a small amount of base mixture, okay, in the test tube, and add the separating reagent, that is 1:1 HCl. So this around 2 ml 1:1 HCl is added. You have to shake it well and then you have to filter it. So filter it, and in that filtrate you will add NaOH, sodium hydroxide, 20%. See, there is no solid formation after addition of 20% NaOH. So acid test is that base test is absent. So now we got the chemical type, that is acid plus phenol present. So we will do now the bulk separation. We will see the whole mixture taken in the beaker, and then saturated sodium bicarbonate added in that, and you have to stir it properly for 3-4 minutes. So here we got the chemical type, that is water insoluble acid plus water insoluble phenol, and it is filtered. See now on the filtrate there is a PPT. See, this is a second compound, that is phenol. So now in the filtrate this added the concentrated HCl. So you have to add it concentrated HCl till you will get the PPT. See, there is a solid formation. So this is the regeneration of acid. So stir it well, and then now we have taken that phenol in the beaker, and then we are doing now the phenol for the phenol. Okay, so we have taken that, we have added. Now this is the filtration, that is acid. There is a filtration, this is the filtration of acid. We got the solid, then you have to filter it. See, while filtration you have to keep the 2 filter papers, because after the filter paper becomes wet, it can turn off. Okay, see, this is the phenol added in that dilute NaOH. Okay, and then filtered it. This is the phenol, this is for the phenol we are doing. So see, this is the filtration of acid is completed. So after that you have to keep that filter paper, and then you have to fold it in 2-3 filter papers and just tap it like this, so that the water will get absorbed by the filter paper. So see now, and this then unfold that filter paper. Just don't press it, don't press it to you have to press it just little bit. Okay, so this is the acid we got after regeneration. So see, like this if you do, then there is a less chances that your compound gets stick to the filter paper, and there is a less loss of your compound. Now this is the we are doing, this is for the phenol regeneration. So after dissolving in the dilute NaOH, we are now there is addition of concentrated HCl for the regeneration of phenol. So see, PPT starts forming, solid formation is there. See, phenol regeneration, this is a phenol. You have to filter it. Then take a little amount of water in that and filter it. This is a phenol. See, you have to take that filter paper in which you have filtered the phenol. Just after removal of water, take that filter paper and see, fold it in 2-3 filter papers and just press it slightly. Don't press so hard, okay? Just press slightly so that water gets removed from the filter paper. That water gets removed, that is get absorbed by the filter paper. See, and then open up see, then open up, you will get that this is the phenol. So like this